afternoon, country people them. We're glad for joining us for this side for Equinox Story House. Chapter 2 for Tori. We try number them. We go talk palava water where it don't be a big problem for people them for that side. So for loom, palava for water, na for night. They define water for that side. Inside Tori say for this afternoon, we go take una to go for side where they call them say Garden Limbe. We talk palava this time. We meet up people them for Gardens for Limbe. Pa where they call it say Pa a language Simon. Where it says it dies on kind of die we sote now, na confused. A day for on top people their hate. We go take una to we talk chapter them for roads. We will enter from Konsamba 1 side where with the people then say they crime for roadway in the pass so day. Even for that side so for Maruam. We go talk Palava Road from Mora, Dibanga and Kuseri where K2 people then say they don't start for do work on top that road. Newspaper then say they get their story for Terry this afternoon for this side so for Equinox Story House. Big part talk in the Terry say waiting. Say no matter how way you give mala for ants, it goes also remain where it dey. I say no matter how way you give mala for ants, it goes also remain where it dey. Endeli Mukube Melvin for side for Dikome Balwe. Now he saying we big part talk for this afternoon. I return back some more time. Good afternoon, country. We glad again and again say we don't join head again for here Tori wey dey happen for inside we country. Inside we quarter we go start. We go take una go for town where they call am say Loom na for overnight. Where population for that side for Loom just now. They the tonton use their own torchlights for fine water. Now for tell we say for fine water for Loom just now. E no be na small thing. Overnight, people they use na their torch for go carry water. Daytime, as we cock e crow, kukuruku. All people they say they don't come outside. Only for fine side way they go find water where they go drink. Now for who side they carry water? Now only for place where some kind of condition, place is dirty. Some side people they the motor they can down. Other one they the wash clothes. Now for the same place where people then for inside that side for Loom, they carry water just now. Sabi say water for inside sustainable development goal. It been a one of the things the way they talk say each country it must to see say if people they get water for drink. And no be na any kind of water where e no get smell, water where e no get no nothing, water where e clean, where when person drink am e no go get no palava. But for Loom side I say na overnight, one day wey they dey obele o, one way they no dey obele o. Na with the touch they define water. I say na with the touch they define water just now for Loom. For Sika say themselves since they dey wait water they no dey see am, and the kind of place them where they dey carry water. Pikin themselves before they wan go school, they must to full up for place where they carry water. Whether they carry na dirty water or na clean water, anywhere where they carry am, they go for house, they go for go see where they get for do am. So population for Loom just now, they talk for people them say one day where they look all the palava water, make they struggle see as way they go bring them water. Even Jacquino Molo when we eye for that side for Loom, water no dey for drink. So now for see what you wanna get for do inside this palava. Jacquino Mulum as well the even hungry water. It's also tonton a meter with people them for Loom. We hear what you they get for talk for a microphone.
For Loom here. All Loom. Government feel look how if he be a try for help do something for them. What people them fit take use up.
We would only wonder why we figure some to stay like the one like calm water. Where every time we get shortage of water, small time they say tap don't broke. It be like they know they pay factory with the one that go every day. Factory do they go up now every day. Where they know if get good technician and for begin get better management. For begin see say when tap one broke, they get for make replacement for that tap them. See water where people then they drink. Where not be well protected. Water they come for inside latrine, people then they fight now for the drink.
Yes, now people them that for inside Loom country people them we go enter just now for place where they call them say Gardens Limbe. We talk this story back. White House where we see and so na for day wey keeping e be day for Thursday wey don pass for the other week. Na for day wey pa wey dey call am say Elangwe Simon e be go wey e no turn back for house sotey dem don put complaint for inside police people. Dem say pa don go wey keeping e never turn back. Yesterday wey na Monday na im wey dey go meet up pa wey pa don fall for hill. Country people, pa e don fall for hill, dem die hill place water dey. Tori enter we ear say pa no be don even go pension for Botanic Garden. E mean say pa e dey also work for Botanic Garden and na member for a Pami club. E be sleep straight way. Pa dey be go do wakekeeping for Thursday, but pa finish do wakekeeping, people dey return house. Pa e no turn back for house. So the only one ask so tonton see they don put danger for day. All that place so na only ho one way they can't dig ground comot na pa that body that. Pa e don die since or Thursday. No man no be sabi say e dey so pa e don die. Na so population for Gardens Limbe dey comot, dey can't see pa Elangwe Simon e sleep e no dey wake up again. But sabi say wetin e cause deep palava for accident. They say the whole place na only he. All place he water sesep e don flow for inside some of the hole dey digger. So they dey try for talk say e dey like say this pa e fall enter for that hole wey no person no sabi. So since Thursday wey dey find pa Elangwe, na only Monday wey dey meet up pa Elangwe die body, and the die body be don already start rotting before family people dey wan meet up am. Na cry this people dey cry sotey e say pa you go make wakekeeping you no turn back. Wey police people dey say dem be don already enter for inside the arraignment for here the true thing wey pass for inside. But last na the pass except that way dem meet up a die body for that side. So for Gardens for Limbe, Davidson Maimo e put a microphone for chief for Gardens for Limbe. He get tori for tell we on top that palava for die.
Then the call he begin to identify now. So when they begin identify this, one man run can meet me from my house because I be chef de quartier for Gardens. So come meet me from my house. Then first thing I do, I call SC before they leave me. Then council service too. Before I come stand for the side, then try for the control people. We no go touch where it comes in because that hill be dangerous now. The way they don't think the hill is still dangerous. Some people can fall there. He was here for about 4 days ago, Friday. That they had that funeral service. I think the person will be die. I remember for their palm wine and what you drink, drinking club where they get around. Okay. Yes. Maybe I think they identify that close well and their uniform. Okay. They die with it. So we cannot die if we can die. Yeah, die if we can die. Only time when
Gardens pa Elangwe Simon wey die some kind die. We go take una go just now from Konsamba 1 Wanasi Road. Na road this way dey pass. See as wey the road just dey open. When Wanasi see the kind of road, wetin una dey check for una head? Danger. I say danger. So people dem for that side, so for Carrefour Leroy, na for inside Konsamba 1 council. They beg council people dem say make they come look that road. See road. 2 motor they wan pass for day for night Sunday. Person wey no sabi that place, e go just come pass, piap, e enter for inside that hole. Big danger. Una see no? Na whole way if person fall for inside, e no go fit for wake up. So people dey talk for mayor or na who wey dey for Konsamba 1, make e can look the road. E check wetin wey e fit for fix am. For seeker say na big danger dem for people dem. Yes, big danger for people. And apart from saying that the main road that you get other small thing there where the road e don crack. When I say no, quota for that road e don already owe. The quota for the road e don already owe. And it show say if they no look up, that road e go only the crack the car. Sunday all the road go just throw so for ground. They go talk say they no be sabi say the road don spoil. Where the show now, mayor for Konsamba 1 abeg. We no get for beg you, but try for check what you get for do. Waiting Momna delegate as I be saying Konsamba na city council if I no make mistake. So na for check the kind of road na big danger for people them. Even people that way they use motor, big danger. For place for Madua, we go talk Palava D roads where a common Mora. If you go for Dibanga, then you go to for Kuseri. Now the road be this. sabi say normal they be don get for fix the road since normal the boy they know for the lock hole dem so as well the locker. But for sika say Boko Haram e be thief him people the way they be work for the road for after then 11 that one na 3 years ago they talk say the road they no fit also continue for worker. So as well we talk just now they don talk say na near them na ketu their own work people that you get for go work for the road so that when Boko e dey come Boko go sabi say no they get for shoot gun plenty before they catch any man. So na the road is you go comot Mora you go for that side for Dibanga then you go for Kuseri road e don turn up since 88 na him whole company be get the work but Boko Haram e be thief him whole. So just now na near the sesep na the cargo than that na don see no na near the cargo the sesep e don turn up for that place and they don talk say work for that road e go start small time. Now for sika why that way e dey so the people dem say wey dey work on top the road near them and even the big man wey dey look at the work all them they be there for day with big man for near work people them road people them wey they call it say Oga Kamgan Jackson all they be there for see as well the thing they come sabi say the road for comot Mora go for Dibanga then you go to for Kuseri na road wey e go make Cameroon be net e go plenty for before if they fix am. So na for sika why that way they get for start fix the road and na near the bulldozer than that they don already start for dig the road so that anytime they go start for put quota as well talk work for the road they talk say get 21 moon and na 205 kilometer for distance. Na it mean say this work the near people them na their work cargo dem that na bulldozer that their caterpillar that way it is struggle for work it is struggle for open the road so that small time they start can dig pull quota on top. They don't talk say they must to finish the work by 21 moon and sabi say the road if they fix am business for Cameroon e go na only for before. So now for why that way they don't talk say men na near they say they can walk on top the road. So they say they don already start work on top the road. Sabi say the road na big economic something for inside we country. We go come up for that road when governor don put eye on top. We enter for chapter for Northwest Southwest for finitory for this afternoon. We take una go for inside bush Ngusi. Sabi say I be talk the other day say Nyaso Sosese for under Kupe Maningobam. He too he don't enter for inside the chapter. Na people then that from Ngusi where they don't run enter na for inside Cocoa Bush. Na for they just now where they don't fall their own bush. Yes, their own bush where they don't fall na for inside place where Kakai dey. Na for they where they sleep since we gone is start too for that side so for Nyaso side and even for side from Ngusi. So it don't turn na other kind. Sabi say this palava since with the social top say men governor sesep a try for see what we go do for help people then so that gun e no go vahala but all day na so gun burning and people there they die. The one na we mommy them brother them sister them papa them sesep where they don't run enter now so for bush for that side so from Ngusi na for under Kupe Maninguba division as so they fight e don't enter now sesep for that side so for Nya Soso na for under Kupe Maninguba division for inside Southwest. Tori don't finish. Newspaper they say they get their own Tori for talk for him. Waiting the Guardian post talk they ask na BB question say Grand Atango how he go for see as way he go make Maurice Kamto and the supporter people they she don quiet. Sabi say Grand Atango be don't talk say any person wey want to try bring disorder for inside country one time they go put it for that. But that one, no even disturb Maurice Kamto people. They also enter for road. So the Guardian post the ask am, Grand Atango get na which kind of thing for make and say maybe Maurice Kamto people them she don't quiet. Now question be that inside the same chapter they talk for we say when they their own archbishop. It don't vex plenty with supporter them for Maurice Kamto after they make mash now for before church wey say he then a big man for day. Tori sesep dey tell we say Norway and Southwest say e dey so palava condition wey people dey sesep dey suffer for Norway and Southwest e go be na for top table for before honor them for that side so for Canada today na so to dey talk for we Cameroon sesep e don be na for inside one of the warless they say Cameroon warless country for palava say good governance for inside Africa. Other tori dey dey for inside the Guardian post. Na for you for enter for read am in the better. We enter for the Horizon newspaper sese wey dey for outside today con people dem inside the Horizon newspaper. Horizon sese e get e own tori for talk for we. Horizon dey talk for we say wetin? Say no nothing no dey. If you dey cry on top melek wey don throway, e no make sense. Na the thing that way Horizon dey talk. Sabi say Gra Tango sese if you don talk say make people dem no make mash. Maurice Kamto don lost vote, but it is also make mash. Say how that one go help? Na the thing that way the Horizon talk say when your melek don throw away, you no fit for cry again. You no get for cry say melek e don throw away. E don throw away. GCE board say they don comot again for talk say wetin? Say this new book wey Kunkuma sign am for make things dem change for inside GCE. E never spoil GCE board at all. Instead, e go make the any man wey get certificate for GCE for turn up fine. Na so too dey talk say wetin? Will for God for on top Anglophone dem just now. E dey na for who side? Referendum as wey people dem say the rebel people dem dey try for talk for to me say that e all Anglophone General Conference e no go fit for happen. Na so say e dey happen wey through ndi say e dey talk say people dem wey dey fight for Norway and Southwest say better make they should don again check sense fine for the kind of road wey they wan waka. All the tori dem say e dey for inside the Horizon wey e dey talk for we. Say Donald Trump e country too don talk say vote for Cameroon e waka fine. We enter for inside Newswatch wey e dey too for outside today con the people dem. Newswatch wey e dey for outside this time e dey talk for we say wetin? Say if you be don be like person wey turn out for vote for inside we country from Kunkuma, that one no mean say dem no fit for cash you. Na the Trump talk that way Gra Tango e send am for outside for the palava for Maurice Kamto after we vote e comot wey e deny. Newswatch na e dey talk am. Inside Newswatch dey talk for we as wey United Nations, European Union, US, UK, France, all dem they don send congratulate from Kunkuma and they don promise everything. They go work well with Kunkuma after we dey vote back for on top chair. Na so say they tell we as we supporter people dem from Maurice Kamto they make mash. But sabi say this a mash. E meet up with police people dem wey dey hold them cash down. Other tori dey dey for inside Newswatch wey you fit buy am, you read am. Now the one then that where we see am for this afternoon for this side. So for Equinox Story House, other tori the day will no be fit for work am before one, but anyhow for some time we go turn back for inside that tori them we wanna no be fit for see am now. Big thank you for you Zephyrin Gondi, big thank you to Malice, big thank you Nadine Guafo and just for salutum people them for that side. So for St. Louis University we don't enter to for Douala for Bonamusa decide. Anyhow one be na sote for some time wanna hold am tight.